study, let us pray. Good morning, class. So, before you take your seat, kindly please pick up the pieces of paper under your chair and make sure that your area is clean. So, are you done, class? Okay, so please be seated. So now, class, do we have any absent today? Okay, so did I give you an assignment? Okay, very good. So now, before we proceed to our new discussion, let us first recall about what you learned from our previous discussion. So, what was our last discussion all about? Yes, Nicole? Okay, very good. Our last discussion is all about planting a vegetable. So, now class, let's have an activity. In here, the mechanics. So, 5 students come in front, each picks a tool or card and out to use it simply without speaking. The class gives the tool and demonstrates the correct way to handle. So yes, Kate, Clarissa, Nicole, and Rose, and Jixin. So, okay, very good. So let's give ourselves a 5 claps. So now, based on the activity, what is our discussion this morning all about? Yes, Rose? Okay, our discussion today is all about proper handling of cleaning tools and materials. Cleaning tools and materials. And here are our learning objectives. Yes, Rose, please read the learning objectives. Okay, very good. So now, class, I have a posted picture of cleaning tools and materials on the board. And students who want to answer, please raise your hand. And one student at a time will take a description card. So number 1. Yes, Kate. Okay, very good. It is a mop. Mop solely to avoid sleeping on the floor. Next is broom. So, I get carefully to prevent dust from flying. So, the third one is dustpan. So, collect dirt properly after sweeping. So, the last one is gloves. So, wear gloves when handling cleaning materials. So now, let's move on to our main discussion. So the first tool is broom, used for sweeping dirt and dust and sweep gently to prevent dust from flying. So ang broom or walis ay ginagamit upang magwalis ng dumi at alikabok sa sahig. So dapat itong hawakan ng maayos at gamitin upang hindi kumalat ang alikabok at ito ay nakakatulong upang panatilihing malinis ang ating kapaligiran. So the second one is mop. So used for cleaning with floors, mop solely to avoid sleeping. So the mop is ginagamit natin sa paglilinis at pag-alis ng dumi sa sahig gamit ang tubig. So dapat itong gamitin ng dahan-dahan at panatilihing malinis at hindi basa ang sahig upang siguradong maiwasan ang aksidente. So the third one is dustpan. So Kate, please read the dustpan. So very good. Ito ay ginagamit upang tipunin ang mga dumi. At dapat itong gamitin ng maayos upang panatilihing malinis ang ating kapaligiran at mamagitan ng pagtipon ng mga dumi. So the next one is gloves. So ang gloves ay sinusuot natin kapag humahawak tayo ng mga gamit at upang maprotektahan ang ating mga kamay at maiwasan at panatilihin gamit o timba. Ginagamit natin upang magdala ng tubig ng maingat. Dapat itong buhatin ng dahan-dahan upang maayos, upang